there are three different methods to represent any set. हमारे पास तीन different methods होते हैं जिसकी मदद से हम किसी भी सेट को represent करते हैं. So let's move on. The first method is descriptive method. सबसे पहला कौन सा है हमारे पास? Descriptive method. As its name, the set in which the things or elements are described over there with the help of word is called the descriptive method. When the set is described by the well-defined words, that is called the descriptive method. I have given an example over there. The first 5 natural numbers. In this set, is there any element denoted over there? हमें इस सेट के अंदर कोई हमने एलिमेंट लिखा नहीं. We just describe that what is present in this set. हमने सिर्फ बता दिया कि हमने इस सेट में कौन सी चीजें मौजूद हैं. इस सेट में हमारे पास कौन सी चीजें मौजूद हैं? What things are there in this set? First 5 natural numbers. But we didn't tell which number, what are the elements over there. Fine. So this kind of representation or this method is called the descriptive method. One more example is there. 4 sports channel of TV. In this, the channels are not defined over there, but just they describe that in this set there are the name of 4 sports channel. मतलब हमारे इसके अंदर सिर्फ डिस्क्राइब कर दिया गया कि चैनल्स स्पोर्ट्स चैनल्स के नेम हैं सेट्स में. Come to the tabular form. In this form or in this method, all the elements of sets are listed between the pair of curly brackets and separated by commas. हमारे पास क्या होता है? Tabular form is a simple form of set in which the elements मतलब जो exact numbers हैं, ये alphabets हैं, those numbers or alphabets are mentioned in the set. Just like in this one. In this one we have a set in which the numbers are there, means elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. So in this form or this method is called the tabular form. In the tabular form we can define the exact numbers as well or infinite numbers as well. हम tabular form की मदद से एक definite numbers को भी mention कर सकते हैं या फिर infinite means uncountable तक को भी show कर सकते हैं. And how we just describe the uncountable? With the help of these dots or infinite things over there. Now we will move on the third method to represent a set. The third method is the set builder method. In this method, when the properties satisfied by the elements of the set are written as a rule instead of listing them. In this method, a specific property of the elements are mentioned over there. Fine, according to the given rule. एक rule के तहत हम क्या करते हैं? प्रॉपर्टी जो भी होती है उस एलिमेंट्स की उसको मेंशन कर रहे होते हैं इस तरह के सेट में. So that is called the set builder method. Fine. ये कौन सा मेथड कहलाता है? Set builder method. In this method, one important thing is there. That is a symbol. The symbol of these dot or a slash. This stands for a such that. जब भी आप देखेंगे किसी भी ब्रैकेट में इस तरह से कॉलन बने होंगे या फिर स्लैश बना होगा, so इसका मतलब क्या है? Such that. Now a bracket is given over there as an example of a set builder method. X upon x means slash as x is a natural number and x is less than 6. अब हमें क्या डिफाइन किया हुआ है? हमें इसके अंदर कोई एलिमेंट नहीं दिया हुआ, हमें सिर्फ एलिमेंट की प्रॉपर्टी बता दी. यानी जो एलिमेंट यानी जो चीजें हैं इसके अंदर वो क्या है? नेचुरल नंबर्स हैं. x कैसे रीड करेंगे हम? x स्लैश का मतलब क्या है? such that x is a natural number means इस एलिमेंट के अंदर इस सेट के अंदर कौन से नंबर्स होंगे? नेचुरल नंबर्स होंगे. एंड x is less than 6 यानी इसके अंदर मौजूद सारे नंबर्स जो हैं वो क्या होंगे? 6 से छोटे होंगे. less than 6 shows this thing. Now the second example is also there. X such that this sign shows the what is the meaning of this sign? This sign shows the such that is a letter in the word bubble. Fine, letters in the word bubble means in this it's represent that we have to write the alphabets of word bubble. हम सेट के अंदर क्या लिखेंगे, बबल वर्ड के वर्ड्स को लिखेंगे. Fine. Now we will just learn that how we can convert from one method to the another method. The first is given over there, descriptive method. A letter in words bubble means in this set the letters of bubble will be over there. So what will be the tabular form? Tabular form is a simple form. So A is equals to what will come? B comma U. Oh sorry. B is there in there. U, L and E means the letters of word bubble. In the tabular form we will just simply write the elements. हम tabular form में क्या करते हैं, simply elements लिख देते हैं. तो bubble के अंदर कौन कौन से letters थे? B, U, L, E. So now we have the set builder method. Now we have to convert it into the set builder method. As I told you, there is a specific rule to write a set builder method. First of all, what will be the first step? First step will be the x, such that x it will remain same in any form of set builder method. जब भी हम set builder method लिख रहे होंगे तो उसके अंदर हम इसी तरीके से सबसे पहले represent करेंगे. Then what is there? ये हमारे पास है letters in word bubbles. Fine. So simply we will define it. So x such that x is letters in word bubbles. So that is a simple way to convert the descriptive method into the tabular form and then into the set builder form. Always remember that the basic step for writing the set builder form, you have to write the x such that x, then whatever the speciality over there or special thing is there or a specific property of the set is there, you need to mention it over there simply. Fine. Come to the second one, tabular form. In the tabular form it is given over there, each elements are there. Fine. We have to convert it into the descriptive form. In the descriptive form, what are these numbers? These are the simple numbers. So what you can say? These are the natural numbers. So what you will write? Natural numbers. Natural numbers till 6, or you can write in this form as well, till 6. Fine. Okay. The first method is first step is that simply you need to write x such that x. Now you have to tell the special thing or property of the set. What is the property of the set? It's a natural number. इसमें क्या है हमारे पास? Natural number. So what you will write? X such that x is natural number. Natural number. Fine. But natural numbers are too many. But it just ended up at 6. So what you will write? Less than x is less than 6. Means x basically is the element of the set. x जो है हमारे पास basically किसको denote कर रहा है? एलिमेंट के सेट के एलिमेंट्स को. तो x such that x मतलब हमारे पास जो एलिमेंट्स हैं वो क्या है? Is the natural number. These are the natural numbers. X is less than 6 means the element or the x is less than 6 मतलब 6 से क्या है ये? छोटा है. Fine. Hope so this thing is clear to you. Now come to the last thing, set builder form. How we convert the set builder form into the descriptive method and the tabular method. When we are having the set builder form, so it is too much easy to get to know that how what is the descriptive method. Simply, what will be the descriptive method? What is given over there? Even numbers less than 10. So what you will write? Just simply you need to describe it. Descriptive form में क्या होता है? Simply आपको क्या करना होता है? Describe करना होता है. तो इस तरीके से simply आप क्या बता देंगे कि हमारे पास इस सेट में क्या है? Even numbers हैं. Even numbers less than 10 मीन्स हमारे पास जो इस सेट में नंबर्स हैं वो क्या है 10 से छोटे बिकॉज इट इज रिप्रेजेंट ओवर देयर x सच दैट x इज इवन नंबर्स हमारे पास जो सेट में चीजें हैं वो क्या है इवन नंबर्स x इज लेस देन 10 x क्या है 10 से छोटा है सो व्हाट नंबर्स विल कम इन द टेबुलर फॉर्म यस how you can represent it into the tabular form you just need to write the even numbers or elements over there अब हमें क्या लिखना है simply numbers लिखने हैं elements लिखने हैं so what you will write 2 is an even number 4 6 8 should I write the 10 over here no because it is mentioned over there it is less than 10 means 10 will be not included in that fine so must remember that whenever we are talking about set form descriptive form and tabular form these are just the representation of the set will remain same जब भी हम तीनों मेथड्स की बात कर रहे होंगे तो ये सिर्फ रिप्रेजेंटेशन के मेथड्स हैं सेट हमारे पास क्या रहेगा सेम hope so all things are clear to you and I am giving you a little assignment as well so complete it and submit it as soon as possible meet you the next week Allah Hafiz